climate change is threatening the future of humanity in every corner of the globe. Tackling this unprecedented crisis requires innovative and path-breaking solutions that urgently reduce global warming and build the climate resilience of vulnerable communities. HSBC, WRI, and WWF have joined forces to fast-track innovative climate initiatives in Asia under the Climate Solutions Partnership. In India, this partnership is delivering ambitious energy transition and nature-based solutions across 8 states. The multifaceted work by this partnership on energy security and nature protection will deliver significant carbon benefits while building the adaptive capacity of vulnerable communities to cope with the impacts of climate change. Protection of nature to deliver climate benefits is at the core of the partnership, with WWF and WRI implementing nature-based solutions at scale to conserve and protect forests, wetlands, and mangroves. Within just 1 year of the program, the partnership has made significant impacts in terms of innovation and mainstreaming. The government of West Bengal has already endorsed WWF's innovative terracotta ring methodology for mangrove plantation and committed to scale it up in 5 sites as part of Narega, the world's largest social security and public works scheme. In urban, peri-urban and rural areas of Bengaluru, restoration and rejuvenation of 350 hectares of wetlands and 35 kilometers of our Kavadi River are underway. In Madhya Pradesh, work on restoring forest land has already generated 75 lakh in income and 40,000 job days for agricultural communities, bringing income security even during the time of the pandemic. The urgency with which the Climate Solutions Partnership is delivering real-world impact is also evident in the renewable energy-based systems that are driving energy transition. 65 kilowatt installation in rural and remote hospitals in Jharkhand, 150 kilowatts of milk chilling systems under installation in UP and Rajasthan, and 35 kilowatts of livelihood-based installations providing access to clean energy and water for 250 rural households in the Sundarbans. As India races to build the resilience for millions of climate-vulnerable people and enhance and protect its natural ecosystems and biodiversity, the Climate Solutions Partnership is demonstrating viable investment pathways that are crucial for meeting the country's net zero targets and achieving adaptation at scale. These pathways will serve as key links to the policy, private and public sector support that is needed to galvanize and scale up energy transition and nature-based solutions across India. HSBC India in the next 5 years is committed to Rs 125 crore to work with partners across India to design, demonstrate and scale unique solutions in the country.